Good morning, class. Today I wanted to get started by showing you guys a fun website called Math Games. Some of you guys may have played some of these games, but this is a fun website a fun interactive website where we get to practice our skills that we're learning in math. So if everyone could type in mathgames.com and then we'll get started. Once you guys get there, you'll see there's a lot of fun things. You can scroll down the page and you can see some games, some grade levels, some skills, worksheets as well as we can, if we really wanted to see more, we can click by grade. So at the top here where there's this little graph chart, click grades. And what grade are we in? Since we're in first grade, we will click first grade. And here we can see all of the math things that we should be able to practice throughout the year. As you will see, we will practice subtraction, counting. We'll look at some clocks and some time as well. This kind of gives you guys a preview of what we'll be working on throughout the year. A lot of fun things that we'll be doing. So as you see here, there's 890 stars. So every time you guys play these games, you guys can get a star. So throughout the year, we're going to try and practice as many skills as possible and get as many stars. So fun. Alright, so if we were practicing geometry, we could just click on this one and it takes you. First you have to see an ad, but that's okay. After the ad, we'll get to play our fun game and quiz ourselves on what we know. It's great because we can continue practicing. Let's see. Alright, so now that this is ready, it's asking which of the following objects is a star? This one is a star. Yay! So if we'll keep going for a little bit. So this one is which of the following objects is a hexagon? Is it this one? Let's try. So I got that one wrong. And then later, it tells you that you have which ones you got correct and which ones you got wrong. So we can go back and look and see and practice those more. So this one's asking, which of the following objects is a hexagon? What does a hexagon mean? 6, right? Perfect. And you just keep going through. If you want to get back to the home page, you press this little icon right here that says Math Games. If we're practicing a certain skill and you guys really want to find that skill, just come up to the top and press Skills. And if we are practicing, let's see, what should we practice today? If we're just going to practice addition, you can press addition and you can again see it's still separated by grade. But now we can see for first grade for addition, we can count groups of 10 to 20, 30, and 120. So this website you do unfortunately have to pay for if you want to get rid of the ads. But that's okay, it gives you guys a little brain break. Watch what's happening before we start practicing our math here. Alright, so this one is asking you, because again, we're counting to count all the boats. Remember, this one's asking us to count by tens, so if we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boats are in one row, and we have 3, how many is that? 30. Great! And it just keeps continuing. Again, we can go back to the home page. And there's some other ones too. We can click on this icon with the little controller for games. And these games are different. So let's play Candy Stacker. This is just an example of some of the games on here. Again, a very interactive website where we can have fun while practicing what we learn in class. Here you can press play, This button that says skills tells you the skills you will learn from playing this game. And this one, if you want to know how to play, tells you how to play. You can also adjust the music and the sound. But so let's just press play to start. Again, we are in first grade, so let's select grade 1. And again, let's just practice some addition. Alright, so it is Evan asking you, 20 plus 30, 50. And it'll keep going, 20 plus 10, let's see. I know that one is 30. 30 plus 10, is it 50? So that one, it's over now. Is more of a game versus our interactive lessons that we showed you earlier. We'll just head back to the home page. Again, there's some worksheets we can practice on, all sorts of fun games to help us practice what we're learning in class and for you guys to have interest in what we're learning as well, making it more fun for you guys as well as so we can practice, enjoy learning about math, adding, subtracting, all of those fun things. So again, in class we'll practice some of these skills through math games. So here is our website again, mathgames.com, a very interactive website for you guys. And all sorts of fun things, again, so we can practice getting all of these skills, helping us get throughout the year. Remember, our goal on one of them was 890 stars, but some of these provide some stars too as well. But it's really cool. I love that we can separate it by our grade and by our skill that we're practicing. Alright, we'll get started. See you guys later.